In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust transparency in Affinity Photo. Transparency, also called opacity, controls how solid or see-through a layer appears. It's perfect for subtle watermarks, soft overlays, or blending an image into a background without harsh edges. First, head into Affinity Photo. Once you're in your document, make sure the image you want to adjust is visible on the canvas. We'll be changing the transparency at the layer level, so the adjustment affects exactly the element you intend. Look to the right side of the interface. This is where the Layers panel lives by default. Click directly on your image layer so it's selected. You'll usually see a small thumbnail and the layer name. When it's selected, it's highlighted, confirming that any change you make applies to this layer and not to something else in your document. Taking a second to confirm the right layer is active can save you from surprises later. Next, locate the opacity control. You'll find it toward the top of the Layers panel, labeled Opacity, along with a percentage that shows the current setting. This number tells you exactly how solid the layer is right now. Now click the small drop-down or arrow next to Opacity to reveal the slider and adjust it. Dragging left lowers the opacity, making the layer more transparent. Dragging right raises it, making the layer more opaque. At 100%, the layer is fully solid. At 0%, it's completely invisible. Watch the canvas as you move the slider. Affinity Photo updates live so you can judge the look in real time. Aim for a value that suits your design. Lower values for gentle blends and soft backgrounds, higher values when you still want the image to be present but not overpowering. Small incremental movements help you fine-tune the look, and you can always undo if you change your mind. That's all there is to it. Open Affinity Photo, select your image layer on the right, find opacity, and adjust it from the drop-down. With this simple control, you can create refined blends and professional, polished compositions in seconds.